Hi, I'm Allie Reynolds with Allie's Organics, and I want to show you how to mulch your garden with grass clippings. Grass clippings are so abundant, and a lot of times we end up throwing them away. And if you're not going to compost them, then you can just put them into your garden. But there are a few steps that you need to do first, because grass clippings should be dried out, and you don't want to use too much. But when they're dried out, they're loose, and when you just put them in fresh for mowing your lawn, a lot of times they'll mat down and kind of create a slimy surface, and water won't penetrate through them. So you want to make sure that they're somewhat dried out, preferably if they're a little bit on the brown side. So just maybe even a week out in the air for them to dry out on a warm day. Some things that you want to do first, though, because grass clippings are going to break down and they're going to rob that soil from nitrogen, because it takes nitrogen to break things down, is you want to go ahead and add a little bit of nitrogen. So I just take some blood meal and I'll just sprinkle it around where I'm going to be putting the grass clippings as a mulch, just a small layer, and then just do a couple of inches, and I don't like to do more than that, of your grass clippings. This is just around some of the sweet potatoes. The grass clippings will help hold that moisture in your garden soil, and the grass clippings will help hold the moisture into your soil, and that's where your blood meal comes in, so where it helps break them down faster without robbing your plants. Because a lot of times you'll see things that after you've put grass clippings, the growth slows up and then you get some yellowing, so that's where it's a good idea to add some nitrogen to it. This is a good way to use up the grass clippings so you don't fill up our landfills and you don't have the waste, so it's just a good way to use them up.